welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today on my channel I'm going to be doing the no mirror makeup challenge. No mirror makeup challenge. No mirror makeup challenge. So I hope this goes well because like I've never ever done my makeup without a mirror. Let's see how it goes, guys. Bye. So first, there is no mirror here. If you see me looking here, it's to pick up products, okay guys? So first I'm going to comb my brows with a spoolie. Hope I'm doing something sensible. I'm so nervous because I've never actually ever had to do my makeup without a mirror. Okay. Yeah. I hope I'm doing this thing good. Yeah. I'm nervous. Is it looking good? I don't know. This is scary. Okay. On to the next brows. I think I can just use my hand to trace whatever it is I'm doing. Okay, I think this is it. Yeah. These brows are going to be on fleek till I'm done. On fleek. Okay. Yes, babe. The brows be popping. Okay. The brows be popping. Next, I'm going to get on my concealer to conceal my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in 60. So I don't know how, but make sure I know that I'm doing rubbish. Okay. I feel like this is my eyebrow here now. So I think I'm doing the right thing. Eyebrow will know that. I'm not joking with it. It should know that this is not a joking matter. Next one. Eyebrow popping. You guys should not test me and my brows. We are one. We are one in this together. Yes. Now conceal away that conceal. I mean, wipe away. Blend. I hope I'm blending well. My biggest fear is never doing rubbish. It's not blending well. I kind of feel like I'll do it well. Yeah. So I'm going to be redoing a particular look I did before. I'm going to put the look here so you see how well I did that look. So for the look I'm going to be making use of my my Fenty Beauty Stunner, and I'm going to be using that on my eyelids actually, not on my lips. So I usually do my eyes first. So yeah. For this I don't really need to prime my eyes because
baby, now I don't get see. Make you no run away, stay with me. Cause me and you were meant to be. Give your heart to me. I no go let you go. Way I no go do you bassa bassa, baby. trust in me when you give your heart to me.
Guys, tell me I'm not popping. Tell me I'm not popping already. Next, I'm going to be using my mink lashes from Aramica. It's just this place I buy my lashes on Amazon. It's really good. Lashes are really good. And let me find my lash glue. This my lash glue is always hiding somewhere. So just going to put on some glue on my lashes and wait for it to get like tacky. So next I'm going to like just after my eyeshadow I usually just go again under my eyebrow just to define the concealer a bit and concealer a bit. How are you looking? Better be looking good. So that's it for eyes. Next we go into skin popping, makeup popping. I'm going to be using this my Revlon Color Stay foundation. Wait, hold on. First things first, clean it. Okay, so I'm going to be using my Revlon Color Stay foundation in color 410. So with foundation I don't really do much. So I apply a little bit of foundation at the back of my hands. So yeah, I think my skin looks good enough. So not a lot of concealer. So I usually tend not to need a lot of concealer at all, like not a lot, because I don't have a lot of things I'm concealing. So I'm going to use the same brush I used to blend out my brows, but this time I'm going to like use the NYX setting spray to touch the brush. Yeah, touch that. Guys, me, I know I'm looking hot. I already know. I don't know what you guys think, but I know I'm looking hot. Bang diddy dang bang. I know I'm looking bang. You know? Next, I'm going to be taking my Sasha Buttercup. Actually, I mixed my Sasha Buttercup powder with another powder. I don't remember the name of the powder, Sha. Like, it's just less whitish white for me. I like when my powder is like kind of brownish. Can you guys see what I'm talking about? And I don't use a lot of setting powder. I can't do. So I'm going to get like a bronzer from Sleek Cosmetics to just, you know, Then I'm going to be taking my powder and just, so my powder has a mirror, but like I'm kind of covering the mirror. Don't worry guys, I'm honest. And just, okay, I'm almost done now. Next we move on to the glow. So for my highlights, I use this BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette Kini, but like it's got a mirror, so we're going to press the neck of the mirror like this so I don't see it. Yeah, can I see? I've almost finished it. Like, just watch out and see how my hairline gonna be. See, I'm not using my mirror. I can't even see anything. It's just check it.
You dey by my side, so make a day your body like skin tight. We are go there by your side, cause 10 times
Yes.
when I know get
Yeah, you already know.
you dey by my side.
You already know. I'm going to go back in with my powder brush and just dust out the highlight because I love highlight, yeah, but you always need to be careful. You just highlight something. So what's next? I think I've done like a really good job, like really good job. Let me not forget my shori dots. One here, another one here. Yes, guys, I'm gonna be extra and do my under eye. Let me just sharpen my black pencil just so I can pop. Yes. Then I'm going to take the brush I use for my eyeshadow now and just run the under eye, blend it out, because like just makes it look better, you know. I was going to say let me use blush, but like I think I'm good. I don't want to scare myself. So guys, this is basically the finished look. Let's throw on some setting spray, yeah? Some setting spray. For the culture. This is the finished look, and I'm sure, like, I'm pretty like sure that I didn't fuck myself up. So now, let's get the mirror out. This is the grand reveal. I'm so scared. So I have my mirror out now. And let's see. Woo! It's not even that bad. Oh, I didn't do anything to my lips. Oh, I forgot. But you know, we don't really need lips all the time. Ooh. Funny how it's actually not that bad. Obviously, like, this is actually not that bad. Guys, check me now. Check me. This is a checkmate something. Look at my lashes. I can't believe I did this without a mirror. Whoa. Yo. Let's do something to lips. Let's put something on mine. So I'm going to put a little bit of this butter gloss. Just small. Check them. Let's check. Damn, girl. Oof. Now I'm spicy. It's just the brows that like didn't really. But you know, I really tried. Like, I'm actually proud of myself. I can do this without. I knew my skin was going to be popping. I knew the skin would pop. It's not my skin. I think I'm really good with like just doing my skin, no matter what. It's things like eyebrows, because you don't really know where they're. My eyebrows are really placed like that. But nah, I did a good job. Guys, tell me what you think about my makeup look. Remember, I did this without a mirror, so don't judge me. I think I did good actually. I think I did pretty good. Please like my video, comment, don't forget to subscribe. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, if you are my G, if you're always watching my videos, tell your friends, tell your family about my channel. Remember, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by mid-February. Guys, please help me achieve this goal. I love you guys so much for always being here for me. Don't forget to tell me how you think I did on my look. Don't forget, like, if you like my hair, tell me if you like my hair, tell me if you like my makeup, tell me if you like my top. This top I think is really, really cute. I love you guys so much. Bye.